entering into a married life, and you have been working so far, and now you have to enter into another life of marriage, and it's a great responsibility on all of you to see that you make your marriages successful. It is your responsibility much more than that of the men. And you have to see that you behave in such a manner that you create a proper motherhood within yourself and a discipline that you want your children to imbibe and your husband to have. You have seen your mother has been sitting for 9 to 10 hours sometimes at one place, not even getting out of this place. But I have seen people that they can't sit for 2 hours in a place even if they are meditating or this, and they get up, disturb everybody else and come down. It's a sign that we lack in our discipline, that our parents did not discipline, that we did not discipline ourselves. So now first thing is that you have to have a perfect discipline of your temperament, and it's a sign that you are the people who represent this Mother Earth, who has a special wisdom and a special power to express that wisdom. So all of you have to be extremely careful that whatever you do will be reflected in the whole family and in the whole Sahaja Yoga system. Now when you get married to your husband, try to understand that you are the Mother Earth and you have to give, and because you have powers you can, because you have so many Shaktis within you, you have to give. That means you are superior in a way that you can give, so that your ego should not stand up all the time and say, why should I do? Why should I? And then you will start enjoying this womanhood. So try to be good mothers, good wives, and responsible surgeons. Those who after marriage try to deviate their husband from Sahaja Yoga are really the most cursed ones. You should have sweet tongue for others, you should be careful what you talk, you have to be responsible. You are special people that you are married into. I hope you will keep this in mind. Dr. Padanji Masai Salman. Now, just now, the virgins have to do the feet, but I'll ask somebody else to do it. But you should touch each other and do it as if in a symbolic.
Nirmala.
Ankim Puri, Nirmala and Geeta.
Madhuri.
You all should touch each other. Come forward. Touch them, and these two will be doing it. Come. You have to touch these people. Everybody must know that there has to be discipline, and the body is not to be made work out in such a way that it should dominate you. At the time of meditation, the body should be your slave, completely. आणल्या ना ते तिथून आलो आदर्श टाकून देतील पहिल्यांदा लावा आधीच काढायला पाहिजे.
जयंती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते. जयत्वं देवी चामुण्डे जय भूतातिहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमोस्तुते. मधुकैटव विद्रादि विविधां रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. महिषासुरनिर्नाशी भक्तानां सुखदे नमः. रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. रक्तबीजवधे देवी चामुण्डविनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. शिशुमहस्यैव भूमस्य रुम्राक्षस्य मधुमर्दिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. वन्दिता देवी सर्वसौभाग्यदायिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. अचिन्त्यरूपचरित्रे रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. सर्वदा भक्त्या चण्डिके दुरितापहे रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. सुवर्भ्यो भक्तिपूर्वं स्वा चण्डिके व्याधिनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि.
त्याच्यातला हात तर काय त्याच्यातला हारच नाही किती म्हणून हारच काढली हात काढला आणि पैसे काढले
सुवर्भ्यो भक्तिपूर्वं स्वा चण्डिके व्याधिनाशिनी रूपं देहि यशं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. चण्डिके सततं ये मामर्चयन्ति भक्तितः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. देहि सौभाग्य आरोग्यं देहि मे परमं सुखं रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. विदेहि दुष्टां नाशं विदेहि बलमुच्यकैः रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. विदेहि देहि कल्याणं विदेहि परमाश्रियं रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. सुरासुररत्नं श्रीगुरुष्ठश्वरेन्दिते उत्तमं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. विद्यावन्तं यशस्वन्तं लक्ष्मीवन्तं जनं कुरु रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. प्रचण्डदैत्यदर्पणे चण्डिके पदाय मे रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. चतुर्भुजे चतुर्भक्त संस्तुते परमेश्वरि रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. कृष्णेन संस्तुते देवी सरस्वत्याम्बिके रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. हिमाचलसुतानाथ संस्तुते परमेश्वरि रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. इन्द्राणीसद्भाव पूजिते परमेश्वरि रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. देवी प्रचण्डविनाशिनी रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. देवी भक्तजनोद्दानो दत्तानां रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. तस्मिन् मनोरमां देहि मनोवृत्तानुसारिणि सारिणीं दुर्गसंसार सागरस्य पुरोद्भवम्. इदं स्तोत्रं पठित्वा तु महास्तोत्रं पठेन्नरः चतुष्षष्टिशत्या संख्या परमाणुः.
मला उघडलं सकाळी एवढं
स्पॉटवरच चालू होता साड्या वगैरे सगळ्या आवडताना स्पॉटवरच होतं कारण असं पांढऱ्या पिशवीमध्ये कागदाच्या पिशवी कागदाच्या पिशवीमध्ये यायचं
पांढऱ्या कागदाची पिशवी कागदाची पिशवी त्याची चॉकलेट खायची जाऊन
पण पिशवीमध्ये पाहिला साड्या आवडताना त्याच्यातूनच
उघडलं नाही सकाळी मी अजून उघडली आपण पाहिलं प्रश्न समाधान पैसे करून बाहेर येते पाहिलं किंवा असेल
ओम जयंती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री स्वाहा सदा नमोस्तुते.
हार सुद्धा पाहिला
Salutations to you, O Jayanti, the goddess of victory, Mangala, the goddess of auspiciousness, the goddess Kali, the goddess Bhadrakali, goddess Kapalini, goddess Durga, goddess Kshama, goddess Shiva, goddess Dhatri, goddess Swaha, goddess Svada. Salutations to all these gods. जयत्वं देवी चामुंडे जय भूतार्तिहारिणी जय सर्वगति देवी कालरात्रि नमोस्तुते. Victory be to you, O goddess Chamunda. Victory be to you, O goddess Bhutartiharini, that is the goddess who removes the obstacles, the troubles of all beings.
these are the virtues of a virgin, the power of the virgin. Actually, throughout, separating virginity and virginity. She is alone, without Shiva. All these things were done without Shiva.
Victory be to you, O goddess, who are all pervading. Salutations to you, O goddess Kalaratri. मधुकैटभ विद्रादि विविधातृ वरदे नमः. रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि. Salutations to you, O goddess, who have destroyed the demons Madhu and Kaitava, and O goddess, who have conferred upon your devotees different blessings. Please confer upon me good looks, that is Rupam, the victory, that is Jaya, and the success, that is Yasha, and Dvishojahi, and to kill all my enemies. Mahishasura Virnashi, Bhaktanam Sukhade Namaha. Rupam Dehi, Jayam Dehi, Yasho Dehi, Dvishojahi. Salutations to you, O Devi, the killer of demon Mahishasura, and who confer different pleasures, different happiness on your devotees. Please confer upon me good looks, victory, the success, and destroy my enemies. Praktabija Vade Devi, Chandamunda Vinashini, Rupam Dehi, Jayam Dehi, Yasho Dehi, Dvishojahi. O Devi, who have killed Raktabija, who have killed the demons Chanda and Munda, please bestow upon me the good looks, the victory, the success, and destroy my enemies. Shumbhasyaiva Nishumbhasya Dhumrakshasya cha Mardini. Rupam Dehi, Jayam Dehi, Yasho Dehi, Dvishojahi. O goddess, the killer of Shumbha, killer of Nishumbha and Dhumraksha, please bestow upon me the good looks, the victory, the success and destroy my enemies. Vanditangri Yuge Devi Sarvasaubhagyadayini Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvisho Dehi. O Devi, whose lotus feet are being worshipped and who confer upon all the good fortunes, please bestow upon me good looks, the victory, the success and destroy my enemies. Achintya Rupa Charite Sarvashatro Vinashine Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvisho Dehi. O Devi, your form just cannot be imagined. O Devi,
beyond understanding.
O Devi, whose form is beyond understanding and who is destroying all the enemies, please bestow upon me good looks, the victory, the success and destroy my enemies. Natebhyas sarvada bhaktya chandike duritapahe rupam dehi jayam dehi yasho dehi dusho dehi. O Devi Chandika, before whom all are bowing and who is remover of all afflictions, please bestow upon me the good looks, the victory, the success and destroy my enemies. Tvadbhyo bhakti purvam tva chandike jadhinashini rupam dehi jayam dehi yasho dehi dvisho dehi. O Goddess Chandika, to whom all are praising who is being praised with great devotion, O Chandika, who is removing all the diseases, please bestow upon me the good looks, the victory, the success and destroy my enemies. Chandike satatam ye tvam archayantiha bhaktida rupam dehi jayam dehi yasho dehi dvisho dehi. O Devi Chandika, please bestow upon us the good looks, to bestow upon us, we your children, who are always worshipping you with great devotion, please confer upon us the good looks, the victory, the success and destroy our enemies. Dehi saubhagyam arogyam dehi me paramam sukam rupam dehi jayam dehi yasho dehi dvisho dehi. O Devi, O Devi, please give us the good fortune, the good health and the supreme bliss and confer upon us the good looks, the victory, the success and destroy our enemies. Videhi duhitam nasham, videhi balam uchchakai, rupam dehi jayam dehi yasho dehi dvisho dehi. O Devi, please destroy, please bring about the destruction of enemies and please give me the great strength and please bestow upon me the good looks, the victory, the success and destroy my enemies. Videhi Devi Kalyanam, Videhi Paramam Shriyam, Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvisho Dehi. O Devi, please bring about all auspiciousness and please give me great wealth and confer upon me the good looks, the victory, the success and destroy my enemies. Surasura Shiroratna Zigrushta Charnendike Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvisho Dehi. O Ambika, whose lotus feet are being touched by the jewels studded is the crowns of all gods and demons alike. Please confer upon me the good luck, the victory, the success, and destroy my enemy. Vidyavantam yashasvantam lakshmivantam jalam kuru rupam dehi jayam dehi yasho dehi dvisho yahi. O Devi, please make your devotees the knowledgeable people, make them always successful and improve their Lakshmi Tattva. Please confer upon me the good luck, the victory, the success and destroy my enemies. प्रचंड दैत्य दर्पघ्नि चंडिके प्रणताय मे रूपम देहि जयम देहि यशो देहि द्विषो देहि. O Chandike, O Chandike, the destroyer of the pride of great demons, I am surrendering to you. Please confer upon me the good looks, the victory, the success and destroy my enemies. चतुर्भुजे चतुर्वक्त्र संस्कृते परमेश्वरी रूपम देहि जयम देहि यशो देहि द्विषो देहि. O Devi, having four arms and who is being praised by the four-faced God, that is Brahmadeva. O Supreme Goddess, please confer upon me the good looks, the victory, the success and destroy my enemies. Krishnena Samsute Devi Shashwat Bhaktya Sadambike Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvisho Dehi. O Devi, who is always being praised with great devotion by Sri Krishna, please confer upon me the good luck, the victory, the success and destroy my enemies. Himachala Satanath Samskrute Parameshwari Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvisho Dehi.
Rupam means auspicious personality. Means auspicious personality, Rupam.
O Supreme Goddess, who is being worshipped by the consort of Parvati, that is, who is being worshipped by Sri Shiva himself, please bestow upon me the auspicious personality, the victory, the success and destroy my enemies. Indrani Pati Sadbhava Pujite Parameshwari Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvisho Dehi. O Supreme Goddess, who is worshipped by the spouse of Indrani, that is the Indra himself, with great devotion, please confer upon me the auspicious personality, the victory, the success and destroy my enemies. Devi Prachanda Dordanda Daishyadair Pavinashini Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvisho Dehi. O Devi, the destroyer of the pride of huge demons, please confer upon me the auspicious personality, the victory, the success and destroy my enemies. Devi Bhakta Janodama Dattadanando Yembike Dayembike Rupam Dehi Jayam Dehi Yasho Dehi Dvisho Dehi. O Devi Ambika, O Devi Ambika, who is giving the unending bliss to your devotees, please confer upon me the auspicious personality, the victory, the success and destroy my enemies. Pasmim Manoramam Dehi Manovritta Anusarinim Arinim Durga Samsara Sagaram Sakulodbhavam. O Goddess, please give me the wife who will be pleasing to my mind and who will be following my instructions and who will help me pass the difficult ocean of this worldly life.
Thank you. There are even married ladies in India. One married lady from West and you can come. Somebody needs to be a married lady. Somebody must propose.
married ladies from the West.
Now you are standing.
One of the married ladies from the West. Please come forward.
Sit down. Like that.
One of the married ladies from the foreign country, visiting Sir Yoginis, please come up.
Record is still record.
Marilla,
Until now. Until now. Make your hair. Now the married women, all the unmarried can go back and the married women can go. So then to be careful. Just the over. Married women should come here. Married women, as many as would like to come in front. Married in Sahaja Yoga. Those who are married in Sahaja Yoga. Children married in Sahaja Yoga. All the ladies who are married in Sahaja Yoga. That's all. All those who got married in Sahaja Yoga already. वो सब लड़कियां कहाँ गई? कोई नहीं। अभी एखाद्या लहान मुलं
सहज कुठे सहज
सहज जावं मुलगी नाही सहज आता त्यानंतर एक वस्त्र घालायचं त्याला कमी द्या त्याला बंद करून द्या गळ्यात सहज माझ्या गळ्यात त्याला लावून द्या लावले या
त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती महाकाली त्रिमात्रिका कुंडली साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। ओम त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री सहस्रार स्वामी मोक्षदायी माताजी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः।
एवढे अगदी मायन्यूट आर्ट्स कशाला घ्यायचे? एक फारसा मोठा राहुलीला त्याच्यापेक्षा लहान. Those who want to take photographs can come. That's a study screen with us. Yeah, well, that's the thing.
Shadow.
Yeah, there's a shadow.
Sit down with the shadow.
Now you can all go and sit down.
Please all go and sit down so everybody can have the darshan. Please everybody go now. Please go. Let us go.
You want basic. I thought you said Mother wants to give one international flag.
Thing is, all Sahaja Yoga terminology are integrated. If you say success, it means good reputation that has come out of righteous success. Anybody who has a success is not a fellow who has yasha. In Sanskrit language, it is just the other way around. If you have got so-called success, supposing somebody who becomes a minister, for all practical purposes, he is supposed to be a person who has got success in the English language. But in the Sanskrit language, the yasha means a person who achieves something, it gives him good reputation, righteous reputation, reputation of virtue. So such a person need not be a very wealthy man, need not be so successful as a minister or a prime minister, but the success that gives you great reputation, like the success of the saints is yasha. So one of us always understand that in Sahaja Yoga all the words are rupa. Rupa can mean normal way, is that just a good looks. But in Sahaja Yoga it is not good looks. It means the look or the appearance that is blissful. You see, that gives blessings. The face that gives blessings and not negativity. So it's an integrated terminology. One word means many things. People should not confuse, because good looks can be like a cinema actress. That's not the good look. Good look means not glamorous. It means a look that is blissful, auspicious. Double correct. All these things are less also. Double correct around right. No, double, but आता पदर इकडे आला अहो बाई तुला तर शरीर काय झालं तू शहाणी म्हणून तुला बोलवलं तर सगळ्यात कॉम्प्लिकेटेड त्यांना धरा ना Come on, hold it. Come on, all of you. घालायचं आणि संपत तिथून अठरा कुठे घालायचं आहे पदर आला बंधनं दिली का यायच्या त्याने बंधन झालं तू बंधन युनिव्हर्सल बंधन इकडे पदर घ्या एक सोपीशी गोष्ट ह्या बाजूला पदर आला आता इकडे डोक्यात बदल जातो बंधन कमरेला पट्टा झाला मग हार झाला जाऊबाई तुम्ही ह्या आरती हा जराशी ऐकून घ्या आधी कमरेला पट्टा झाला त्यांच्या बद्दल कमरेला पट्टा झाला हार झाला
नित्यानंदकरी पराभयकरी सौंदर्य रत्नाकरी निर्धूताखिल घोर पापनिकरी प्रत्यक्ष माहेश्वरी सालेयाचल वंश पावनकरी काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलंबनकरी मातान्नपूर्णेश्वरी.
O Mother, who always gives happiness. Also, you are the one who removes the fear and you offer the beauty of the divine. You wash all the sins always, and you are in totality the Shakti of Sri Shiva. When there are difficulties, the entire dynasty are purified by you. So, O Mother, who live always into the Kashi, the auspicious place. Kashi means where you stay is the heart.
This is the Shankaracharya's verse of his hymn. This area use the word Kashi. Kashi is actually literally means the Banaras. Banaras is the place of Shiva. So this could be interpreted as human body, where Kashi so means the human body where Shiva is in the heart. So Kashi Puradishwari, the empress of the heart, that is the empress of the body, that is the Mother Kundalini. So this is अन्नपूर्णा.
अन्नपूर्णेची एवढं त्यातून पाहू तर कमरेचा ह्या बांधण्यात आता
Dikshandehi Krupavalambanakari Mata Annapurne. O Mother, bless me and give me some morsels of the food. Give me some, not exactly alms and morsels of food. And be kind on me and offer me some morsels of food. Nana Ratna Vichitra.
नाही मोदी तुमचं
नाना रत्न विचित्र भूषणकरी हेमांबरांबरी मुक्ताहार विडंबमान वितल सत्यक्षु कुंभांतरी काश्मीरागर्वासितांगरुतिले काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षांदेहि कृपावलंबनकरी मातान्नपूर्णेश्वरी. O Mother, who is full of different kinds of jewels and who wear different ornaments. The one who wears the sari full of jari, glitter, and who sits on an important throne of lion. You are full of all the power and different garlands decorate you. Kesha or saffron, mud, agar, chandan, etc. items are applied to your feet and body, and therefore you are extremely auspicious. You are the goddess of auspiciousness. Such a mother, O Divine Mother, please give me some morsels of food and bless me. Yoganandakari, Ripukshayakari, Dharmaika Nishtakari, Chandrarkanara Bhasasmana Salahari, Trailokya Rakshakari, Sarvaishwaryakari.
This is the first is to show that you ask something for your body from your mother with utter humility. That, oh mother, please give me a morsel of food. It's a sign of humility. Whatever mother gives me will be the blissful thing. It's humility. Now the second part of it is more important.
Yoganandakari, the one who offers Yoganandakari, Ripukshayakari, Dharmaika Nishtakari, Chandrakanala Bhasamana Lahari, Trailokya Rakshakari, Sarvaishwaryakari, Tapaffalakari, Kashipuradhishwari, Dikshandehi Krupavalambanakari, Matannapurneshwari. O Mother, you are the one who give me,
O Mother, who is the giver of the joy of yoga, who is the destroyer of enemies, who is giving me the loyalty to the dharma, whose appearance is like moon, always protecting all the three worlds, who is giving the all prosperity, who is giving the rewards of the penance. O the Empress of Kashipura, please give me the morsel of food and please bless me.
Yogananda.
Muktananda.
Yogananda.
You see, she gives me the bliss of yoga, the joy of yoga, and the joy of complete freedom. Mukta. Mukti as they call it. Complete nirvana. The joy of nirvana.
कैलासाचल कंदरारी गौरी हुमा शांकरी कौमारी निराथ गोचर करी ओंकार बीजाक्षरी मोक्षद्वार कपाट पाटन करी काशीपुराधीश्वरी शांदेहि कृपावलंबन करी मातान्नपूर्णेश्वरी.
O Mother, who has made the Mount Kailasa as her residence, O Mother Gauri, O Mother Uma, O Mother Shankari, that is the consort of Shankara the Shiva, O Mother Kaumari, that is the mother of the Lakshmi of Kumar.
Kumari is a virginity.
Kaumari of mother of virginity. O Mother, who is explaining the meaning of Vedas. निगमंदी वेद निगमार्थ गोचर म्हणजे वेदांचा अर्थ
निगमार्थ
गोचर करी.
गोचर निगम म्हणजे निघणे, निगम म्हणजे टू अचीव, आणि त्याचा अर्थ गोचर म्हणजे निगम इज द वन दॅट इज बीइंग डिस्क्राइब्ड. सो फार द वन इज बीइंग डिस्क्राइब्ड like scriptures and things is nigam, which has come out of our minds and which has come out. So she is the one who makes us penetrate into the meanings of these. Nigam manje sagal je kai nighalele ahe. Whatever is manifested or expressed, she is the one who makes us penetrate into it, because she gives you that subtler attention.
Omkar Bijakshari.
She is the one who is Omkara, which is the Bijakshara, is the main syllable.
Mokshadwara Kapat Patana Kari. Moksha Dar Karna.
The one who opens the moksha's door.
Kashipura Vishwari, Viksham Dehi Kripavalamana Kari.
She is the one who should give me alms of realization, asking for alms. Is all the way of saying something in a very humble way, that give me the alms of realization. Like a beggar, you say that I beg of you, please give me realization. I am a beggar at your door.
दृश्य विभूति वाहन करी ब्रह्मांड भांडोदरी लीला नाटक सूत्र लेखन करी विज्ञान दीपांकुरी श्री विश्वेश मन प्रसादन करी काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलंबन करी माता अन्नपूर्णेश्वरी.
O Mother, who is
Loudly, correct.
O Mother, who is carrying on the work of that is seen and unseen, who is the receptacle of the Brahmanda, that is the entire universe. O Mother, who is controlling all the divine plays. Who Nataka Sutta, Dira Nataka divine play, divine Dara. Who is acting the divine play?
लीला नाटक सूत्र लेखन करी. लीला नाटक सूत्र लेखन करी विज्ञान दीपांकुरी.
You see the one who gives the prologue in a drama, or the one who holds the chord in a show where the pantomimes are there, is called as the Sutradhara, the one who is the holder of the thread. So she is the one who holds all the sutras in her hand, all the threads in her hand, and just makes us do all the drama. It's all her own style. It's true. I agree.
Vijnana Deepam, light in all science.
विज्ञान दीपांकुरी.
Sri Vishveshamana Prasadana Kari, who is pleasing to the mind of Sri Vishvesha, that is the Lord Shiva.
श्री विश्वे शमन प्रसादन करी.
Vishmana Prasadana. शंकरांच्या मनाला प्रसाद.
श्री शंकरांना अत्यंत प्रसन्न करणाऱ्या.
Naturally, you see, if you don't keep him pleased, you destroy the world. You have to keep him pleased all the time. That's what the women must understand, they must keep their husbands pleased.
काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षांदे साधवत उपावलंबन करी माता अन्नपूर्णी. So, O Mother, please give me a few morsels of the divinity and the realization. आदिक्षांत समस्त वर्णन करी शंभुप्रिया शांकरी कश्मीर त्रिपुरेश्वरी त्रिनयनी विश्वेश्वरी शर्वरी स्वर्गद्वार कपाट पाटन करी काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलंबन करी माता अन्नपूर्णेश्वरी.
Oh Mother, you are all the alphabets. Alphabets. From the beginning till the end, you are all alphabets. Shambhu Priya, who is liked by Shiva. Shankari, the beloved of Shiva. The Shankari, that is the consort of Sri Shiva. Kashmir Tripureshwari, the river of all the three worlds.
Kashmir Tripureshwari means to the Sahasra. See, Himalaya is the Sahasrara and Kashmir is there. So Kashmir, she is there. Tripura is because she killed them. There are two meanings to Tripura. One is meaning that she killed that horrible demon called Tripura, and Tripura means of the three words. She is the beauty of the three words. Tripura Sundari. But again the beauty is not to be confused. It's to be integrated.
स्वर्गद्वार कपाट पाटन करी स्वर्गद्वार.
She opens the door of the heavens because then you enjoy.
काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलंबन करी माता अन्नपूर्णा. Such a mother, I beg to
This is
you.
the same thing being repeated.
Yes.
Second part.
उर्वी सर्वजनेश्वरी जयकरी माता कृपा सागरी वेणी नील समान कुंतलधरी नित्यान्नदानेश्वरी साक्षात मोक्षकरी सदा शुभकरी काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलंबन करी माता अन्नपूर्णेश्वरी. O Mother, you are the
highest. You are above all.
you are the highest and you are above.
You are above all.
You are complete. Purneshwari, but you are complete. Because you see, it is after Sahasrara you have to become complete.
Sarva Janeshwari, when you are ruler of all the people. Jayakari, who is giving the victory.
Victory. Who gives victory? Victory over ignorance by giving realization.
Mata Krupa Sagari, the ocean of Krupa.
Gracious. Grace.
The ocean of
It's
grace.
the ocean of grace. Pratyaksha moksha kari.
Veni Nira Samana Kuntaladani.
You have
काले बोल केस धारण केला आहे.
With the black hair.
धारण केलेला आहे.
She,
काळ्या केसांची वेणी धारण केली.
she uses her hair to give you realization. All the tricks.
नित्यानंद दानेश्वरी, अन्नदान करणारा.
Anand, Nityananda. She gives you the food of joy all the time. It's too much self-praise, sir.
साक्षात मोक्षकारी.
She gives you actualization of realization. Actualization of realization.
सदा शुभकारी. Always auspicious, making auspicious.
असं काही
काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां कृपावलंबन करी माता अन्नपूर्णेश्वरी.
शांत असतात. पूजा करताना शांत असतात म्हणजे नर्वसनेस येत नाही. हे ते उचलत बसलं की असं
देवी सर्व विचित्र रत्न रुचिरा दाक्षायणी सुंदरी वामास्यादुपयोधरा प्रियकरी सौभाग्य माहेश्वरी भक्ताभीष्टकरी दशा शुभहरी काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलंबन करी मातान्नपूर्णेश्वरी.
O Devi, all different jewels are adding to your splendor. You are the daughter of King Daksha. You are known as Vama.
Daksha came as Ali.
Prajapati Daksha.
He came as Ali. That's why you are daughter of Daksha. Also,
you are giving happiness to all, and you are giving the prosperity, and you are verily the Supreme Goddess. You are giving all welfare to your devotees. You are removing all that is inauspicious. Viksham Dehi Kripa Valambana Kari Mata Purneshwari.
चंद्रार्कानल कोटि कोटि सदृशी चंद्रांशु बिंबाधरी चंद्रार्काग्निसमान कुंडलधरी चंद्रार्क वर्णेश्वरी माला पुस्तक पाश शंख कुशधरी काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलंबन करी मातान्नपूर्णेश्वरी. ओ मदर
त्याच्यावर भाग खायचं मग घालून आर्थिक खात्यातून जातो.
O mother, the crores of suns, lakhs and billions of suns, the moon and Agni etc. only can match your splendor.
जरा क्लिअरली लाऊडली चालत आहे. परत म्हणा.
O mother, your splendor can be matched only to thousands, only to the billions of suns and the moons or the fires together. Then only they can match your splendor.
माला पुस्तक पाश.
You are wielding the mala, the rosary, the book, the gourd and the noose. Viksham Dehi Krupavalamana Kari Mata Annapurneshwari.
क्षत्रत्राणकरी महाभयहरी माता कृपा सागरी सर्वानंदकरी सदाशिवकरी विश्वेश्वरी श्रीहरी दक्षाक्रंदकरी निरामयकरी काशीपुराधीश्वरी भिक्षां देहि कृपावलंबन करी मातान्नपूर्णेश्वरी.
तुझी तुला काय.
Mother, you are giving the strength to all those who are protecting the soul people. You are remover of great fear. O Mother, you are the ocean of grace. O Mother, you are giving all joy. O Mother, who are leading the people to Sadashiva. So Sadashiva and the Vishnu. O Mother, who has destroyed the sacrifices of Daksha, who is giving the great bliss, please give us the morsel of realization and shower your grace upon us.
अन्नपूर्णे सदापूर्णे शंकर प्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्य सिद्धार्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती.
O Mother Parvati, you are the giver of food. You are always complete. You are the beloved of Shankara.
all the architects.
For the success
In Niranjana.
in achieving the knowledge and the vairagya, the detachment, please give us this morsel of realization.
माता च पार्वती देवी पिता देवो महेश्वरः बान्धवः शिवभक्ताश्च स्वदेशो भुवनत्रयम्.
Our mother is Devi Parvati and the father is Shiva. All those devotees are of Shiva, are the brothers, and all the three words is our own country. Om Tadeva Sakshat Shri Mahalakshmi Mahasaraswati Mahakali Nirvasmita Kundalini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Om Tadeva Sakshat Shri Bhagavati Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Om Tadeva Sakshat Shri Bhagavati Sakshat Shri Sahasrara Swami Moksha Pradani Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Shri Nirmala Devi Namo
भाई क्या साइड लगी
कलशाचे नाही माझे पुढे जेव्हा कलशा बरोबर का आता देखील करतात बाकीचं पाणी सामान्याची जमा करावं लागेल
Those people who want to take the pictures, they should come forward, please.
Don't stand up.
Just a minute.
There are 7 colors in this embroidery.